In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can extract leads from LinkedIn using n8n. This method is 100% tested. You don't need to pay anything for Apollo or Clay subscription. The leads that we are going to get are highly targeted, active, and highly engaged. The cost of all of this thing comes around $5 per 1,000 leads. So without wasting much time, let's start. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Nitin Dixit. I run two businesses currently. App Ready Now, where I help non-tech founders build their MVP in the shortest period of time using no-code tools, and Growth Design Studio, where I offer automation services to small businesses. On this channel, I share tutorials and practical videos that can definitely help you in your entrepreneurial journey. So if you're looking to build, automate, or scale your online business, you are in the right place. So let me just show you a quick demo of this, how this all works, and then we'll start. I'll just quickly execute this workflow. So I'll have to first post a URL on this form. I'll quickly go to my account. I'll search for some niche since this is about n8n. So I'll search for n8n, and let's just say I want to scrape these 6 comments currently because it has 32 likes and 6 comments. So I just want to scrape this one, but you can scrape as many leads. There's no limit to it. This is for just demo purpose. So I'll copy this link. I'll paste it over here, and I'll put the comment limit to 10 or 100 limit, whatever I want. I'll press generate leads. I can see this, all of these things are running currently here, and boom, it's done. So what do we get? Let's see that. Now we have 3 unique profiles over here. Let's just cross check what happened. So over here, we can see it has 6 comments. Marco is there, Akash and Nishwant. So as you can see over here, there are other comments from Kirtika, this person itself. That's why it has not escaped those numbers. It has only escaped the unique users profiles from here. Now, if you look into this, first name, last name, full name, LinkedIn URL, headline. We can see the headline also. Then current company, current role. Then about us, this about section of the person. Then we have added 2-3 sections more: connection status, connection sent, message sent. So this is for us to manually update this. We can also automate this process also, but it's not right now safe because LinkedIn is very strict in this process. So I definitely not want to share something on this channel which might cause you any issue with your LinkedIn account. So now if you talk about the requirements, there are only 2 requirements for this setup. You will need an n8n account. Either it can be self-hosted account, or you can host it on a cloud hosted website account, which is the official n8n.io. From there you can get a free trial for 14 days, and then you'll have to pay for the subscription. But there's one more trick, that we can host it on a cloud hosted account, and on third party cloud hosted account, and then we can get it for much more affordable cost. And if you want that, I'll create a video for this later on. If you need that, just comment down in this video below, and I'll definitely make sure to record that video for you. Now the next thing is, you will need an Apify account. Apify is basically a scraping bots website. So if you click on this, now this is the Apify website that has a list of different scraping bots for scraping different platforms. You can see there's a long list of 6,000 actors. They call it actors basically. Amazon scraper, Instagram scraper, Google Maps scraper, all different platforms. You can scrape any platform using this. For getting access to API key, you can simply go to your console, and from here click on settings. From here go to the API integrations, and this is the API default API that's created. You can simply click on copy, and you can paste it over here under the second node, which is process form data over here. Now the bots that we are using are these 2 bots: LinkedIn post comments, replies, engagements scraper, no cookies, and then LinkedIn profile details batch scraper, no cookies. So this one is for profile enrichment. This one is for scraping. Now let's go deeper into this workflow. See what's happening actually one by one. Now this is a form from n8n itself, and it's basically asking for the post URL that we are going to need to send a like to the Appify to extract the details from there. So and then there's a comment limit. This is 100 limits basically. By as a placeholder we can put any limits over there, and then over here it's going to be redirected to the exact sheet. This process form data is basically processing the input from the form to in a structured way. So this is the structure currently: post ID, comment limit, and Appify token that I am put here. Then scrape LinkedIn comments. So from here we are using uh, Appify scraping bot to send the data. As now you can see over here, it has basically scraped the comments from here. Now after this, we'll have to extract the unique profiles. So we are using some codes over here. So it has extracted 3 profiles from here, which are unique. Now in this node, we are basically combining all the 3 batches into one so that we can process it into creating a spreadsheet of it. So this is a merge node, and it will basically merge all the fields, all the 3 different batches of profiles into one single batch. And then from there, we are going to process this lead data. For this, since we need some extra details on this sheet and in an structured order, so that's why we are processing this lead data in this format. So you can see how structured this looks like. Let's compare this thing. Basic info: full name, last name, first name, last name, headline, public identifier. This is extra redundant information that we don't want. That's why we have processed this lead data into this format. From there, we are just creating a spreadsheet of it, and then from this, we are setting the data that we want to put in this sheet. So once this is ready, then we can append rows in this sheet. So after this, 3 rows are created like this. Now all of these things are very easy to do. Basically, the first name field set, I have put this in myself. We can change it to like first also or name also like this. And then once that is done, you simply have to drag and drop over here. So since this is set data, we are going to from here we can select the different nodes and the type of data that we got from there. So it is saying that 1 node back, 2 node back, 3 node back. So 1 node back, we have a create spreadsheet. So we don't want we don't have that data from there. Now process lead data, we want this data to be processed. So we can simply drag and drop over here, and this will simply do basically this is a variable, so this will actually show Vishwant, and from the for the other lead it will show Akash, for the other one it will show Marco. This way, for the last name we can simply drag this thing last name and put it over here. So that's how easy it is to handle the records. Once that is done, all you have to do is you have to click on this play button and it will execute the step. Now that step is already executed, so I don't want to execute it again. Now all these links are actually working. So if you click on these links, you will see them. Ishant Ramesh. So like this is just a demo purpose profiles, but you can get the idea that we can scrape as many leads as we want with this way. Now if we compare this thing with the Apollo pricing, you can see clearly that it's a lot costlier than n8n process, $14 per month per user, and in that you will get 30,000 credits per user per year. So one credit costs one email, so 30,000 emails per year, so which will be around 2,000 emails per month, 2,500 emails per month for $14. Now in this way, if in my approach we can extract 1,000 leads for only $5. So it will be basically $10. It will cost you $10 to exact the same number. So that's how efficient it is. From this data, you can do tons of different things. You have their about us, about profile. You have the description, you have the follow count, their current roles, company. You need an AI to personalize the message to send them connection requests, and you can easily send them connection requests from there. So that's it for this time. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, then definitely subscribe the channel and hit the like button. I'll see you on the next one.